All right, just gonna do a quick tear down on this, show you how to take out the door. All right, so let's get to it. Let's start with the door and then work on the interior. We're gonna take out the couple bolts right here on the hinge, and then this whole door will come out. Be careful with this main harness right here. We're gonna detach this harness before we take out the door. All right, we're outside the vehicle here. We'll take out this little deflector. Just use this trim tool to take out this push pin retainer. Okay, like that. In the bottom here, there's nothing to take out. Just it just tuck right in underneath the rocker panel. So just pull that out just like that. Then right here is our main harness. Tabs. I'm assuming right down here. 3 tabs right here that would come out. There you go. Okay, get you guys close up. So 1 tab down here, 2 on each side right here, 1 on each side right here, and 1 on the top. So push those, and then this whole plastic will pop out like that. Flat screwdriver, pop that plastic piece up. There you go. That's out. Cover it up, and then this goes together with the door. This will stay in there for the vehicle. All right, guys, so that looks like a what, 12 mil socket, I believe. 2 and 2, and this whole door will come out. So make sure have something support this door, because this door is probably heavy. I like to put a chair down here. Well, I got no small chair, so I'm gonna use my jack stand and a couple clean rags. You don't want to scratch it. Slide it in. Okay, it's tight on this side, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, we'll move this forward when we take out the last bolt. I got a flex joint right here to take out this nut like that. This one right here is really close, so you have to close the door. But just to make it extra careful, I like to put tape in here so you won't scratch your paint, because this door is a really good looking door. There's no scratch at all. So I brought a double tape like that, so secured, no dings. All right, let's just shut the door closed so we have lots of room right here, especially this bolt on the inside right there. Let's see if we could use the impact. Okay, we can use a little bit here. Let's give this a try. Just crack the bolt loose, or you could do is take it out from here. We could do that. Let's take it out from here. This whole door will come out, and then the hinge will stay on the vehicle. Let's do that. Let's do that. It's a lot safer. There we go. All right, be careful with the last bolt. Okay, let's do the hard part right here. It's on the very bottom. Okay, this is the last one right here. We had to hold the door so it won't fall on you. Hold it up while you're taking the last bolt out. And we're gonna take out that check link right here on the middle. Let's quickly take that out. 12 mil again. All right, hold the door up. You don't want to drop it on you. All right, there we go. Rest it on the jack right here, front and back. The door is loose. All right, guys, there we go. The door is out. If you want to put the door panel, go ahead. So it's all together. This is what it looks like now. There's no door. You could probably take this out and put it on the door, because they might need it, or we might need it next time when we work on vehicles. Now we're gonna do the back. You can see, is that a 12-point socket right here on the back door? They use 12 points, but we're gonna use that. We're gonna use this one right here, 12 mils again. Okay, so 12 mils, but first we're gonna take out the check link on the inside, because that's the hard part, is a check link right here before you take out the door hinge. So let's take that out quick. 12 mil on that one. All right, get your support jack stand ready for the bottom of the door here, just like that. Then we'll quickly take out this bolt. Alright guys, so hold the door up. Before we take out this door, let's take out this harness here. There's a harness down here. Alright, so wrap around with plastic rubber, and then there's a black tape. I'm just gonna peel this off, and then female and male connector, that's about it. Alright, so that's out. Just wrap this back together. Now let's take out the bolts, top and bottom. Alright guys, both door is out. I like to put the bolts back for the door hinge right there. Same thing on the back door. I like to put the bolts back in. As you can see, check it out. Holy cow. Stripping the whole vehicle out on the Civic 2024. Door is out. Door is off on this side. Now it'll be easy on the other side. Same thing. Let's take out the door panel on the driver's side. Same thing on the back side.